Basically, it's what happens on a day-to-day life, the experiences of life. So we try to turn those experiences into something we can laugh about as a community.
Okay.
Yeah.
What you guys are doing currently, basically some probably into content creation.
Yeah.
There are a lot of young people in your waliona mnakam wakataka kujua, is it paying? Because most of the time when they see other people who are trying to survive through content creation kidogo wanasema. Yeah. Then also we've been seeing a couple of situations inafanyika sana sana zake huko TikTok. So is content creation paying? How to supplement with tap the screen?
It does pay, but it depends on how you actually maneuver in the business side of content creation.
Okay.
There's a whole industry of content creation, the business side of content creation. And so how you interact with companies, how you interact with agencies, that kind of inategemea how much money you'll make with your content.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's same way with a good mind, consistency na content ina make sense, it pays.
Okay.
With time though. Kama una go into content creation for the money, ati unaanza ukigo for the money, and to promise you utachukia content creation vibaya sana. Yeah, so it pays with time.
Yeah.
Consistency, time. But sasa with the likes of TikTok when you mentioned, there are people who are joining nini saizi, TikTok saizi, kesho ashaguza 1,000 likes. I mean followers, ashaweza kwenda live, anakaa fiti, ni mdema amejua kuingia live, and it's paying from day one. Kuna mtu siku ya kwanza atajoin TikTok na ana 100k. Yeah, and there are people who will be on TikTok for the longest and they'll still not earn from it. That's you. That's me too.
Teach us your ways.
No, but try live. Utajua utanini.
Acha kudanganya mwingine.
Kuna nilishajaribu.
Ushajaribu kwenda live.
Guys, please tap the screen.
No, but you know you also need to look good.
Follow the top gift. Munez. Come nikushow.
Nasema ndio maana siendangi live. So I don't look good.
Oh, it's for you.
Yeah.
Oh, Munez ni sawa. It's okay. Kwa nafikiria anataka kunizoea kwa kipindi.
Ulikuwa na Munez live.
Munez kuja umalizie kazi yako. Salimia tu mse kwa mkono tu.
Nauliza.
Salimie mwambie hapo kwa kipindi gani.
Unasoma
hapa Ubina TV na unajua umesalimia nani?